Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word diddling. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was accused of diddling the company's financial records to hide his embezzlement. Diddling refers to manipulating or cheating in a dishonest way, often to deceive or swindle others, especially in financial or legal matters. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.